Okay, so delivery day for Muscle Nation, world's biggest box. Nearly 4 kilos worth of stuff, all the way from Australia. So we're going to take you through what's come through for the month for me. Really excited because there's some different bits and pieces in here, and I haven't really had a look at what's actually been put on the order. So some pretty dope stuff. We can take you through what you've got. So we have got, these are pretty sick to be fair. It's a Hattie Boydle, who's a Muscle Nation athlete, got their own brand of range shakers. They're pretty dope, so that's a good start. Got some clothing which we're going to take you through. A burgundy sleeveless long sleeve top, Muscle Nation jumper, long sleeve black Muscle Nation top again. It is now unfortunately the winter, as you can probably see from out here in the fields. It's very grey and cold. Another Muscle Nation seamless long sleeve top. I'm going to try some of these on in a bit for you guys, but in terms of like quality, that's banging. So that is going to get warm for cardio later on. So for me personally, I love like longer sleeve tops when doing cardio and things like that. Just try and, not that it makes you burn more fat, but I feel if you're sweating more, you're working a bit harder. That being said, when you're weight training, I don't like to try and be too hot, because I think logically if your body's too hot, it's not going to perform optimally, so stay cool kids. Taper joggers, awesome. That's a bit of me. Leery yellow canary hoodie, matches my hair, special request. More taper joggers, tan. Now this is what I've been waiting for a long time. Where is it? In here? Yes! Chocolate honeycomb whey protein, because I completely run out. Anyone who knows me knows this is my favourite flavour whey. So it tastes a bit like the Cadbury's crunchy bars, but in a protein version. So this is the best tasting protein I've ever had in my life, so it's a big shout out for that. Again, with my really obscure colour taste, I requested a pink shaker. I think they thought I was a little bit mental that I wanted a pink one, but it goes with my pink towel. I've also got this Muscle Nation, so that's pretty G. And we've got, ooh, this is the Muscle Nation Hattie Boydle whey protein, new flavour, chocolate hazelnut. So that's pretty sick. Haven't tried that yet, so we'll have to do a taste test on that bad boy. We've got more casein custard. Again, huge fan of that, as we've seen in previous videos. The most researched supplement out there that actually works, creatine monohydrate. So I'll get rinsed this month. The Legacy pre-workout, bubblegum grapes, that's a stimulant pre-workout. And then again, we've got another pre-workout, which is the sour gummy bear. Sour gummy bear is probably my favourite flavour of the pre-workouts. I like the bubblegum grape, but that actually feels like a sweet treat every day. And we've got one more Muscle Nation shaker. So I'm going to try some of this stuff on and see what it looks like, and then see what you guys think. Okay, so we take a look through some of the clothing we've got that's come through. Very much excited for this. So first one, this looks like a sweater. So this is, that's a pretty bad boy. Muscle Nation sweater. Again, that's a bit of me. I'm big into like sweatshirts at the moment, so they make it look pretty jacked. So that's decent. So black's good go-to colour, because you like, I'm a very messy individual, so I can't cover it in like food and stuff. So again, another black top, that's a bit of me. Again, long sleeve, ideal for winter. Got Muscle Nation logo, which has got like a really dope texture on it. It's not printed, it's almost like erased. So again, that's a long sleeve. These are all XL. Got burgundy long sleeve. That's a bit of me. So again, that's like a muscle fit. Again, another ideal cardio top. Or you use it as like a base layer when you're training. So again, that'll fit really nice and snugly. So that's an XL. Again, long sleeve. Got a cool Muscle Nation logo on the back. What's good about the tops for Muscle Nation in particular is like the taper, the fit's really good. So they're wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. So it accentuates your physique. Whereas I find a lot of stuff, if you're broader up top, a lot of the bottom, like around the waist, can be very baggy, which can often make you feel, make you look a bit shit. So having more tapered clothing makes a big effect on making everything look nicer. So again, Tracksuit bottoms, tapered. These are pretty sick. So again, got Core Muscle Nation logos down the side. And again, as with everything, because the fit's so good, it really accentuates your physique. So there's no point putting all this time into training really hard and then wearing like a teepee or a tent because everything hangs off you so much. So I'm gonna try some of the stuff on now and see what you guys think. Okay, so now we've unboxed all this, let's see how some of it fits. So this fits nicely, nice stretchy fit, great material, very tapered. I wouldn't want to be any bigger. This is an XL, so this fits me perfectly. I'm about 96 kilos at the moment, so if you're similar body size, I'd probably go for something similar in terms of sizing. Now we're going to try the bottoms. So again, tracksuit bottoms on, tapered fit. So again, these are XL, fit my overly large thighs and aren't too rotund. So for me, I find a lot of tracksuit bottoms can be quite baggy around the groin sometimes for them to be big enough. But these actually fit perfectly, so yellow and blue. It's almost like a canary combo, so check this out. So now we've tried this on, we're going to go and do some cardio. So now I need to get into my long sleeve top, which I love for using cardio. Long sleeve on, so now we can go do some cardio. Again, superb XL fit, super tapered. So we're going to go do cardio, abs and go across the session.